Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable manual transmission on the MX vs ATV Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device and you will be taken into the free play mode where you can start riding immediately. Now if you wish to switch into manual transmission, then simply pause the game by pressing the pause button and you will be taken into the main menu. From here, just enter the settings page and then go into controls. Now, within the controls screen, at the very first, you will see the transmission section. You can choose between automatic and manual transmission. In order to enable manual, just set this value to the manual transmission. And now you can also check the control that is used to shift up and down within both your keyboard as well as your gamepad. You may also make any changes if you wish by choosing the various different presets, or you can also create your own custom value. If at any point you wish to disable manual transmission, then you can simply go back into the settings page, and from the controls you can once again set the transmission to automatic. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable manual transmission on the MX vs ATV Legends game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.